Hi everybody, my name is Peter Hudson. I'm a real estate agent in the state of Arizona. I'd like to welcome you to my series of videos that I've called the Real Estate Moments. And I've put these short videos together to help educate you on various subjects when selling or buying a home in Arizona. Each video that I've produced is just a few minutes long and it is subject specific. So feel free to watch the videos on the subjects that interest you. If you know somebody else who could benefit from this information, please feel free to share the video with them as well. If you look down below, you can also find my website and the link to my email address in the description below. And finally, please do me a favor and like the video and share the video with your friends and family members so they too can benefit from the information. So let's get started. Hi everybody, my name is Peter Hudson and I'm a real estate agent in Arizona. Today I'm going to talk to you about closing costs. And the closing costs are one of the things that really surprises a first-time home buyer. So we're going to discuss that today so you have a better idea of what to expect whenever it comes to closing costs. Many of us have heard the phrase, it takes a village. And whenever you're buying a home, this is exactly true. So there are real estate agents involved, there are mortgage lenders involved and all of their crew, there are escrow officers involved. So there are many people who will be touching all of the paperwork in your file whenever it comes time to getting your house closed. So we just have to be aware that all these people have to be paid for their services. So what fees can you expect to pay at closing? The closing costs in Arizona are going to vary widely based upon the type of loan that you choose. And typically, closing costs in Arizona are going to be about 2% of the price of the home. So if you're buying a house that costs about $350,000, you can expect that your closing costs are going to be somewhere around $7,000. Now, that does not include the down payment for the home. Those are only the closing costs. So you just have to be aware of that. So what are closing costs? Some companies, like a lending company, are going to charge an application fee. So this application fee goes to the lender, which covers things like credit checks and other types of services that they'll have when you open the loan or when you apply for the loan. The escrow company is going to have an escrow fee, and the escrow fee is what you pay the escrow company, the title company, for their services, and they are the third party company that's going to be holding all the documents, collecting all the documents. This is the office where you will go to sign all of the papers, and then they are going to collect all the documents, disperse all the money, and they're going to send the documents over to the county when it comes time for recording a sale. You're also going to have courier fees. Every company has services that they call upon when they need to have documents moved from one office to the other. So these are called courier fees. You're also going to have property taxes and mortgage insurance. And also, if you're doing an FHA loan, as opposed to a conventional loan or a VA loan, with the FHA loan, you're going to have upfront mortgage insurance premium, typically 1.75% of the base loan amount. In some cases, you're going to have a flood determination fee. This is paid to a third-party company to discover if your home is in a flood zone. You're going to have homeowners association transfer fees. So every homeowners association has these fees, and they charge them anytime somebody sells a house in their association. You're going to have homeowners insurance, and the first year of your homeowners insurance needs to be paid upon the closing. You're going to have lender's policy title insurance, and this is an insurance policy that to assure the lender, and it protects them with any kind of problems with the title in the future. If you are paying a very low interest rate for your mortgage, there's a very good chance you were having to pay points on that loan. Points are prepaid interest. And so if you're paying any points on a mortgage, this is where they're going to show up. You're also going to have an owner's policy title insurance. This is an insurance policy that protects you in the event that someone challenges your ownership of the home. Sometimes on the lending side, you're going to have an origination fee. So this covers the lender's administration cost. It's usually about 1% of the total loan. Other things you may be doing are like private mortgage insurance, PMI. Anytime that you are not putting 20% down as a down payment, you are going to pay private mortgage insurance. You're going to have recording fees. This is a recording fee that's charged by the county in Arizona, and this is the fee that they charge to record all the documents that go along with your purchase of your new home. If you're doing a VA loan, you're going to have a VA funding fee. And so the VA funding fee is a percentage of the loan amount that the Veterans Administration assesses to fund the VA home loan program. So these are the fees, and they are referred to as closing costs. There are some fees that have to be paid prior to the closing. So that's a home inspection fee, the termite inspection fee, and the appraisal fee. The reason for that is that after the home inspector does his or her inspection, you may decide you don't want to move forward with the purchase of this home, and so they could not be paid at the closing if that's the case. Also, you're going to have the appraisal fee. So that's kind of it on the closing costs. If you have any questions about closing costs, please reach out to me and I will try to help you as best that I can. I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you learned something today, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with family members or friends who you think may also benefit from this information. If I can answer any real estate related questions for you, please go to my website and send me an email or text, and you will find the link to my website and to my email address down in the description below. Please remember to subscribe to the channel as I post several videos each month regarding different real estate subjects. Thanks for watching.